peace, freedom, independence. More like torture, fear, and silence. There are no two sides to the story. There's only one truth, and that truth is we are tired. The truth is we are angry. The truth is we've had it rough and enough is enough. The truth is your time is up. How many more tears is it going to take for you to be finally satisfied with the amount of pain that you've caused? Tears of the parents who work so hard day in, day out, every single day, because their lives depend on it, only for you to take the little they already earn. Tears of the people that you've promised opportunities but gave them lies and excuses in return. Or what about the tears of the people that you've chosen to neglect in poverty because you chose to nurture your luxury and gold? Or the tears of the children who have no food and have no homes? How many more lives need to be lost? How much more blood needs to spill for you to be finally satisfied with the fear and trauma that you've instilled? How many more people do you want to kill? You're a coward, you're a curse. A curse that's lived on for way too long. And I know that you think you're unbreakable, but you're wrong. This is not a threat, it's a promise. That you will pay for all of your sins in money, in tears, and if need be, with your own life. This is not a threat, it's a promise. That you will bow down and surrender to the very same people that you tortured and beg for their mercy. This is not a threat, it's a promise. That you will walk on the very same thorns, sleep on the very same mud, and drink the very same sorrow that you put your people under. You will taste your own medicine and you will face those consequences. This is not a threat, it's a promise. That even if you don't face the court of law, you will face the court of God and you will live in His wrath. You might be able to get away with this. You might have been able to get away with this before, but not anymore. You messed with the wrong generation. This is the generation that God has chosen to break the curse. This is the generation that you can't scare. We are your worst nightmare. This is the generation that God has chosen to fight and bring back the hope, freedom, and future that we truly deserve. We will break the curse. This is not a threat, it's a promise. God doesn't break His promises.